Welcome to UK Theme Parks. My name's Adam and today we are down in Weymouth and we are checking out the ghost train. The ghost train. A lot of people talk about this ghost train down at Fantasy Island and it's a place I've never been. Now it is a children's park, which is one of the reasons why we're doing the introduction out here, because we won't be doing a lot of filming inside. We're going to go in, we'll show you a little bit of the park best we can, and then we're going to ride the ghost train. Heard great things about the ghost train. So yeah, you know, we've got to ride these things. We've got to get to these new parks. We've got to try them out, and that's what we want to do. But first off, I mean, we started the vlog like it, but just look, how stunning is this? It is absolutely beautiful down here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hard to get sights like that anywhere, it really, really is. Now then, Fantasy Island is just over the hill here. Funnily enough, as we said, it is a children's park. I wouldn't even say family, and honestly, I think it's pretty much a children's park. Fun houses and, you know, little merry-go-rounds, helter-skelter. And the ghost train really does sort of buck the trend for them, to be honest with you, because it's not something that you would expect to find here, particularly in the way it is. But there it is, right over there. So we're going to head down out of Fantasy Island. We're going to quickly show you around, and we want to get on the ghost train. That's the plan for today. Does look busy though. Here we are inside Fantasy Island. So actually got really nice dodgems here, and then it's all kids rides down the bottom there. You see little flying jumbos, little bouncing ship, helter-skelter, and a little safari train right here, the Disney train right here. But that is what we've come for. We've come for the ghost train, just the ghost train. That's my stop, that's where I'm going. So I've got my token. This is £2.50. This is £2.50 for the ghost train. They're free tokens for the dodgems, which is £1 each, and all these other rides are just one token actually, which is £1, which is really good value. But it's time to head up now and take you on the ghost train. I don't know if anyone's here, I hope so, because I bought my ticket. I've heard good things about this. It's time for the ghost train. So it's tokens only, £2.50 a person. They know people come down especially for this. And I'm really hoping it's worth it. I really am. He's got his own little Mr. Muscle, look. I mean, it is a really good looking one. Look at these, look. These look stunning. Really well kept. Certainly graphics are superb. Superb they are. So yeah, fingers crossed. We're going to take you on board now. And this is why we've come to Fantasy Island here. Take you on the ghost train. It's a nice little view. It's not very big, this is it. Massive arcades, loads of restaurants down here. Fish and chips, ice cream, there's literally a bit of everything. And I think the caravan park is just over the back, which is probably the reason this place does so well. Dodgems had something a little bit bigger. Quite a big footprint actually, you could probably fit a couple of smaller rides there. And then this bad boy. Let's get in, let's get, well, can't wait, let's get on, let's get on. Here we go. So here's your wristband options if you come down to Fancy Island. You can get 3 hours unlimited wristband for £12.99. Includes soft play, but does exclude the ghost train. 1.5 hour wristband, £5.50. Again, excluding the ghost train and the bumper cars, as well as the quad bikes. Token is £1, 12 tokens is £10, 25 tokens is £20. You have to pay for the ghost train separately, and obviously the quad bikes are coin operated. So all the other rides, apart from the bumper cars, which is 3 tokens, trampoline, carousel and circus trainer 2 tokens, everything else is just 1 token. But pretty much what you see here is what you get. Here's the Dodgems, here's the Safari train, little rides down the back. As we said, there are a lot of families here, so we're not going to like in-depth show you every single ride. It's not fair on the people that are here. We wanted to come and ride the ghost train. That's exactly what we've done. Very, very strobe heavy. Very strobe heavy. There it is, tucked away down in the corner next to the caravan park, and on this beautiful setting is Fancy Island at the Children's Family Park down here in Weymouth. Now we came down to ride the ghost train, which is exactly what we did. Let me tell you, what a great ghost train. Just over 2.5 minutes long. It's very strobe heavy. I won't lie to you, it's very, very strobe heavy if you're going on it. We'll have to put a warning on the video. There's strobes everywhere. There's some nice dark scenes. It looks a bit plastic to begin with, to be honest with you, but it is lit up really well. And there's a lot of models in there. The train sort of goes up, comes back down again through various scenes. You then kind of move out from sort of ghoul scares, ghost scares, dead people scares, into sort of rooms and things, into sort of a house, more of a house kind of setting. Gets a bit lighter, there's a bit of light from outside before getting darker again. You go for another couple of really well scenes. You know, the moving sort of thing on the wall, the like animal person on the wall, the person on the wall with like no jaw and things, really quite freaky actually. And you get really, really close to these as well, really close, like touching distance. We didn't touch, obviously, no touching. From there you go into a Halloween scene, which is nice to see a little bit of IP. Again, quite a lot of strobe lighting. You then come out and you have a little bit of a breather, to be honest. You have a little bit of a breather, seeing the play area and the cafe before going back in, and then experiencing another room, followed by sort of spiders. And of course, spiders are quite terrifying for most people. So yeah, again, you know, strobe light spiders coming towards you is quite something. You then kind of finish off with Beetlejuice, and that wraps up a 2.5 minute journey. Great value for money. £2.50 for that is great value. It's so well kept. Everything in there seems to be working. Some beautiful lighting. Aside from the strobe lights, some beautiful lighting, some really nice props. Yeah, sure, some of them look a little bit plastic, but some of them are really, really top quality. I have to say, really impressed with it. Now, there's nothing else for me, and there would be nothing for the children down here apart from the ghost train. It's just nothing. I appreciate the Dodgems, but you wouldn't come down here for Dodgems. There's nothing else. With the caravan park just over the back there, which you can see, Fancy Island sits really nicely. I'm guessing that's a hotel there. And of course, this beautiful beach. Plenty of restaurants, shops and everything for your holiday down to Weymouth. Got to come down. We've got to come down, check out some new things. We're going to be checking out some new things on the channel as well. You know, we can't get out quite as much as we wanted due to the restrictions and you know, various health issues throughout the family, throughout the 3 of us. But we are trying, and Fancy Island was a new stop for us. Have you been to Fancy Island? Have you experienced that ghost train? Let us know in the comments. My name's Adam. This has been UK Theme Park. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.